Robert Kiyosaki is an American entrepreneur, investor, educator, and best-selling author, most famous for his book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He is recognized for his unconventional approach to personal finance, emphasizing the importance of financial education, entrepreneurship, and investing as paths to financial freedom. Kiyosaki's core message is that traditional education does not teach people how to achieve wealth. Instead, he advocates for acquiring assets that generate passive income, such as real estate or businesses, rather than relying solely on earned income from a job. He also promotes understanding personal cash flow and using good debt as leverage to build wealth. Through his company, Cash Flow Technologies, Inc., Kiyosaki offers a range of educational products and services. These include books, seminars, online courses, and the cash flow board game, all designed to teach financial literacy and investing skills. His Rich Dad, the brand also features a network of advisors and resources for learning about real estate, investing, and entrepreneurship. In summary, Robert Kiyosaki is a leading advocate for financial education, offering books, games, seminars, and online content to help people achieve financial independence by building passive income and making smarter investment decisions.